Welcome back to Slab, Kingz, Chattown. We out here finna do another video. We back with another video. We out here trying to get these crappie. I'm out here with part-time. So we finna try to get them. Stay tuned. I got some Kingz. Old brown look like. Oh, it's a stripe. Fat stripe. Got the stripe. First one of the day. Thought I had me a horse. Oh, yellow bag. Alright. Got something else coming in, Kingz. It's nothing. Another stripe. Another stripe. It's windy as hell out here. We're using live bait. It kept my net. I gotta stick my hand in cold water. Alrighty. Go try to get back out here. Stand up. There we go. Thought it was a crab. Got something else coming in, Kingz. I don't know what it is. Oh, like a stripe. No, it's a favorite crappie. Right paint job. Favorite crappie, people. He didn't make the team, but that's what we're looking for, the right paint job. Now I'm looking for his mama. Part-time, I got one coming in, Slab Kingz. Said ain't nothing. Wrong paint job. Yep. No. Oh, it's a stripe. You got him though. Still out here. Part-time got a mean old. Oh, that's a big old shag.
I caught it, reeling it in.
Big old shag. Got something coming in here, Kingz. Yes, it's one of them. One in here, Kingz. Number 2. I don't know. I don't think he's big enough neither. Huh? He ain't make the cut. I gave it to him. Put him on the easy checker. If I can find it. Hell, he didn't make the cut. I can't find the easy checker. Another one coming in, Kingz. This feel like a nice one. I don't know what he is. Feel like a nice one. Man, he little. Pulling like that. He about a 10-piece. You want a 10-piece? I gotta check him. But he like about a 10-piece. I gotta check him out. Ha. Oh. I'll check him. I got it in my hand, Lord. If I can get it out of there. I'm out of here. Damn, I'm pulling out everything. Crackles. Get in there. No. What time I got one coming in?
No, they ain't getting on there.
He in a stripe hole. He messing with the baby stripes. So that's a bigger one. They bite slow, Slab King. We gonna get them though. Something else coming in here, Kingz. That's a stripe. Shit. Thought I had something. It's a stripe. I just knew I had one of them bars when I hit it. It's not the right paint job. Got something else coming in here, King. Talking to the Kingz. It's a stripe. Swallowed it. Man. It swallowed my hook. Man. Open your mouth. Let me see the damage. Ooh, yeah, you swallowed that. I gotta get my needle nose up for that. Thought I had me one, Kingz. That's the wrong paint job there. What's up, Slab King? I'm at the bait store. It's called Lake Chickamauga Tackle and Outdoors. It's right here next to Domino's after you pass Central High School.
Hey, bro, look at these, right? He just got these in, bro.
And the inside right here. They got basically everything you need. This the owner.
How you doing?
Tell them what time y'all open and close.
7 to 5, 6 days a week. The only days we're closed are Tuesday.
Y'all hear it from the owner.
Yes.
This is where we come and get our bait. So y'all check them out. Right here, what's the address?
5730 Highway 58.
5730 Highway 58.
That's it.
All right, check them out. All right, Slab Kings, we out of here. We didn't catch too much more. They just biting slow. In about 2 more weeks, we'll get them. So, I appreciate all my subscribers. Love y'all. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. We don't got wet out here. So, peace.